Hey guys, so I got the December Fab Bag. It's the festive, like Christmas themed, and it's like a red soft and fluffy pouch for Christmas. And we have a bunch of things here. So I know one particular item because I had an option to choose one product. Now this time an option to pick is available for all subscription plans, even for 1 month plan, and the option is between Sugar Concealer, Sugar Click Me Up Velvet Matte Lipstick, and there is the Sugar Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner. So there's an option to pick out of all of these, and I picked the concealer. Yes, this is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer, and I'm in the shade Chocochino, and that is what I'm wearing right now. And I use this concealer almost on a daily basis, so I got a backup because I literally use only this whenever I do my makeup. So I knew I would like finish that off soon, so I got another one, and this is my shade Chocochino. And if you guys are like around my skin tone, Chocochino will work for you. So I picked that concealer. And the next item we have is the Kronokare body butter, which is for all skin types and is shea butter and aloe vera. It's a nice body butter, travel friendly body butter tube. Body butter usually comes in jars, and body butter is like an essential in winters. Bombay is also so cold and dry right now. I have also shifted to a thicker moisturizer for my face as well, and body absolutely needs a thicker moisturizer. So this is the body butter. Next product is the Votre water. I always don't know how to pronounce this brand. It's the Votre Advanced Gel Exfoliant Jelly Scrub with AHA, all skin types. I love AHA, BHA. I used chemical based exfoliation, then physical based exfoliation, but this is like a jelly scrub with AHA. So this is like a soft physical plus a chemical exfoliation, which is like a very good texture. This is priced at $290, and it has pineapple extract, aloe vera, cactus flower extract, bamboo leaves extract, chamomile flower extract. Only the key ingredients are mentioned, but the ingredients sound pretty good. And it says dual action pore refining facial scrub with fruit enzymes and natural AHAs to deeply cleanse skin and absorb oil and leave skin soft. Natural fruit enzymes like pineapple has good amount of AHA as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to try this out. It sounds pretty interesting. And there's this last product in here, which is the NK Cleansing Water Moisturizing Cucumber Soothing Cleansing Makeup Removing for Face and Eyes. It's like a micellar water. It doesn't say micellar water, it just says cleansing water, but it is like it does the work of a micellar water. And yeah, that's it. I'll quickly tell you the prices. It's the Merry Maker Fab Bag, and the Sugar Full Size Concealer is priced at $7.99. The NK Cleansing Water oh god, the crows. The NK Cleansing Water is priced at ₹450. It's a full size product. The Kronokare Body Butter is full size. It's priced at ₹195. But it's quite a tiny full size product. And the Votre gel is 30 grams and priced at $290. So the total value of this month's Fab Bag is 800 plus 450 plus 200,000, 1450 plus 300, so almost 1750. So yeah, the total value of this month's Fab Bag is almost around 1750. There are 4 products, but all 4 products are like full size and pretty interesting. I know I'm definitely going to use this and the Votre, and the body butter also. I think it's perfect to travel with. And I usually avoid carrying body butters because there are like those big Body Shop tubs, but this is like a good size to travel with. I am not sure how this will be. I'll try it out today to remove my makeup and see how it works for me. My eyes are very sensitive, so I don't like a lot of cleansing waters. I prefer oils or balms to remove my makeup. But yeah, let's see how this one works out. But I definitely like these 3 products. So these are the 4 products in this month's December Fab Bag. And yeah, let me know what did you get in your Fab Bag, and if you're going to get this month's Fab Bag. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Thank you for watching.